Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys, so today we will make a pinakbet done in Japanese way. And this is pinakbet vegetable tempura with bagoong teriyaki sauce. Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot. So now let's make pinakbet vegetable tempura with bagoong teriyaki sauce. So for the pinakbet vegetable tempura, the ingredients we're going to use are sitaw, talong, okra, kalabasa, white onion, tomatoes, and then for our batter, I have your flour, cornstarch, and then I put some baking soda na in it. And then, syempre yung shrimp natin. For the sauce, so I have here bagoong teriyaki sauce. For the recipe, it will be shown in the description down below. And then, Aunori for the garnish. So first step, let's make our tempura batter. I have here the cornstarch with baking soda, then flour, salt, and then gradually add cold water. So add more water. And that's it. So add our vegetable, coat natin with flour. So, after natin ma-coat ng flour yung vegetables natin, dip natin sa batter. Make sure not to overcrowd yung batter. Then coat. Tapos pwede natin siyang fry. So, by the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Then after natin sa vegetables, shrimp naman, salt and pepper. Other side. Then drench ulit natin sa flour. Then dip natin sa batter. So, ishang lang natin. Then later, dip and fry natin siya. Then dry na natin or pat dry natin yung shrimp. So we're done in frying. Let's proceed to our plating. Let's get our bowl in our Koizumi dish dryer. So there you have it, our pakbet vegetable tempura with bagoong teriyaki sauce.